What's up, guys? Today we're going to do a side-by-side comparison with the 2016 Kubota U55 versus 2015 Cat 305. Be a live comparison, the 55 versus the 305. We're starting at 0 and seeing how far they can carry that block. So as you can see, we're marked out. We got 4, 6, 8 foot. Odds are marked out on that side. Now we're gonna see who's gonna be the winner. The test, the 2x2x6 Mafia blocks, 3,000 pounds. The Cat 305. So this is the control. Lined up the yellow line. First up, the U. Laid down on the yellow line. All the way extended. All right, so all the way out. Looking around 9 feet. Next up, we got the Cat reach test. The Kubota lifted it all the way out, full reach. Let's see what the Cat can do. That's it. That's it. He's dragging it. All right, measure that. The Kubota had full reach, 3,000 pound block all the way out. 6 foot out with the Cat. Right, next test, blade to block. 40 inches, we're gonna height test. That's 3,000 pounds on the Mini. We're seeing how high he could lift it up. All right, he's maxed out, it's coming back down. All right. Official measurement says 4.5 feet at 40 inches out. 3,000 pounds on the U55. 30 inches out, we're doing the height test on the Cat 305, 3,000 pound block. Let's see how high it can lift up. Get over there to measure. And that's all she's got. That's all she's got.
1 foot.
1 foot. Let's remember, the Kubota had 4.5 feet, and this is 1 foot on the Cat. 3,000 pound block. 2015 Cat 305. There he is trying again. Oh, the tip test. The tip test. Let's see.
3.5 feet.
3.5 feet out on the Cat before it tipped over, blade up. All these measurements are taken from the blade. Blade up, we'll see how far you can go out without tipping. 3,000 pound block. All right, right there, tipping point. All right, put her down.
3 feet.
3 feet out from the blade, tipping over 3,000 pounds. So there you got it, guys. 2015 Cat 305 versus 2016 Kubota U55. We did the reach test, the height test, and the tip test with no blade. There you have it. That's all facts, non-biased, same block, 3,000 pounds, 6 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot. We had the same operator, Mr. Joe. There you have it for yourself, kids. U55 versus 305.